Hello, Justin here from Domino Clamps. We appreciate that lots of your shipping container projects are very bespoke. So what we'd like to do in this next series of videos, give you some ideas of how to make your own bolt-ons or add-ons which are adaptable to your needs. Now don't worry, none of these ideas are going to be particularly complicated for you to make, and we're going to provide you the drawings and the plans so that you can get those done with a local fabricator. What we've done is put together a piece of angle iron. This is pretty straightforward, off-the-shelf stuff that you could get from your local ironmongers. It's 120 millimeters that we've cut to a length of 150. And all we've done is got the ironmongers to pre-drill 13 millimeter diameter holes at the correct spacing for the domino clamps. That's 50 millimeters in that direction and 100 millimeters in that direction. Don't worry too much about rushing to go and get a pen and paper to take details of this. We'll give you details at the end of the video with all the drawings and PDFs and everything that you'd need. This angle iron is 10 millimeters thick, so it will attach to our domino clamp using M12 by 30 millimeter set screws with a washer. Once that's done, what can you do with it? Let's give you some ideas. Attaching one on each end of the container provides two very strong bearing plates for a beam spanning between the two. This could be used as part of a larger shipping container structure, a carport or an awning, something like that. Attached to the bottom castings of a container, this could be used for anchoring it to the ground by bolting it into a concrete slab or a footing. It could even serve as a theft deterrent if you were to use shear bolts for this purpose, so that the head comes off at a certain torque. This would make it really difficult for anybody to undo it again and therefore steal your container. Flipped upside down, this gets the top of the bearing plate more or less flush with the upper side of the corner casting. This could form the basis of a roof or an overhanging walkway or platform on the top of the shipping container. So as you can see, something as simple as a piece of angle iron pre-drilled with the holes to match up with domino clamps can really add to the versatility of the domino clamps and make all sorts of your grander ideas of what to attach to your container possible. And of course, all without welding to or damaging or drilling into your shipping container whatsoever. If you want to get hold of the drawings for this, we've got the CAD drawings and PDF technical drawings available for you. Just email us at hello@dominoclamps.com. Please let us know about your projects because we love hearing about them. Subscribe to our YouTube channel for more of these how-tos and ideas, how to use domino clamps. We're on the other socials as well. We're on Facebook, we're on Instagram, and we're on Twitter, always /domino clamps. And until the next time I see you with some handy ideas, happy clamping.